Yeah, I think we're gonna get pretty weird today. I think the floaties in the wave pool with the winch could be pretty fun. Kalani had a crazy idea to put a ton of floaties and people on floaties maybe in the wave pool. We have the newest winch today, which is pretty cool. So you can control the throttle on the handle of the winch. And it's sick. It's like a thumb throttle, so it's just a little throttle on the handle.
That's so cool.
Yeah. I realized I put my banana peel in my lap, and then I forgot about it, so I was sitting on my banana peel. My trunks are disgusting right now.
Last time we came here, Blair drove so fast that couldn't even film in the car.
We saw you guys. You flew past me and Beefs.
Wave.
Welcome to the wave.
Welcome to the wave. Oh yeah.
That thing is tight.
Pretty sick. How's that embroidered?
I like the new logo. The
Yeah.
embroidered logo is there.
Not wasting any time.
Here's my banana shorts. I swear that's banana. What else? Got lots of sunglasses too. If you'd like a pair.
Whoa.
Look at that.
This stuff is fancy.
Yeah. The travel kit.
Blair's jealous because this guy's more ripped than his.
Yeah, doggy. Kalani's already out there. He's got the whole thing to himself.
You gotta wait till
Local
they
session.
come in.
Locals only right now.
You ready?
Yeah.
Last of the unicorn.
Got it.
Got it.
That's a nice hat.
Thanks.
Looks good on you.
I got it for this.
Yes.
The new cowboy in town.
I'm the new cowgirl in town, girl.
It's gonna look sick. It's gonna look good.
A lot of
Execution.
navigating to do.
Yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to execute the concept, but we'll see.
I'll get the drone videoing you. We'll just get you doing you. That way I can do video for you guys. I'm gonna crash my own drone. Cause I want it. I am the world's best drone pilot ever. Ooh.
Oh no.
We're good. Yeah, we're good.
No, that thing looks fun. I would definitely have to go for the second one probably. We're good to go.
Is that what you want to try?
Yeah, I feel like what I'm gonna be able to do on that one's a little limited. Like I would just do like a little front side turn and then come back around.
And then if you want to be like tell me like, hey, maybe can you make it break here or what? And I can try.
Okay, sick.
We have the power.
Yeah, dude, can
Pen
you
is mightier than the board.
can you make a wedge in like the middle of the pool kind of? I know the bouncing part's hard.
Explain wedge.
Okay.
Where do you want to be doing your air? Would you want like just a giant peak in the middle?
That would be kind of sick. Yeah.
I'll try real quick.
Okay.
I don't know what the is gonna happen.
Whoa. Oh my. That's kind of dreamy looking.
Right?
Yeah. That was pretty rad.
That was kind of rad.
Yeah.
So,
Dude,
you
I
wanna-
almost that first one, like how it just looks so like a perfect A-frame.
dude, it was killer. Right?
Is there a way you can make that thing break out there a little bit?
Maybe.
Dude, that's it. See how it's like
Yeah.
feathering?
Yeah.
And I think I could launch off that little feathery section.
Yeah.
That first one looked like I
More
might have
crumble?
a little bit more crumble.
Okay, I might be able to do this.
Yeah?
Let's see. We'll try it this way. I got tricks, Blair.
Yeah, dude, it's sick to like watch. You know what you're doing on that thing already. That's for sure. Imagine, you know, you got the little wedge right here.
Yeah.
And I'm coming in at it from the right side of the pool, and that thing had almost a little lip line to it.
Little lip.
I would be hitting the lip and then landing back on that side.
So do we want more crumble?
If you can crumble it or make it like almost more of a lip, is that
That's-
doable or is that the
that's
hard
the
part?
hard part.
Okay.
But
I don't know, the crumble factor on that last one looked pretty sick. And worst comes to worst, I'd just do a front side turn off that little crumble segment and it would be pretty damn fun. I like front side turns. What happened? Oh my gosh. Is that thing waterproof? No.
Oh, it's still going.
it's hard to figure out how to get underneath a little slab. It really is. So that was fun.
Especially when the water's so clear, like it's hard even to see the contour of the wave.
Yeah.
Like people trip out. Like at first you can't even see the lip in this thing.
Yeah.
You're like, where is it? So
Yeah.
then you kind of got to get used to it.
It's true.
Yeah.
And the speed that you're going into that wall and that carve, like, that's amazing. That's commitment.
That last one, you had to do the tightest turn to get into it.
Yeah. That one felt like a good little skim turn.
Oh, it was rad,
yeah.
dude. It was rad. It was a full Johnny boy.
That was my best
That
one.
tight.
I think that was the best like connection I've had thus far. That was fun.
Pretty good.
I think it was a good day though.
We got some diversity too.
We did.
That little wedge thing was sick.
Yep.
The air section, I wish I kind of did pull something, but
Dude, but you had some attempts that were like the gnarliest attempts I've ever seen.
you
Can't be bumped.
I don't know. Just having that much speed going into that air section's
Yeah.
pretty cluch.
Yeah.
That was
I'm gonna
really
keep
fun.
working on it. Before we drain this thing, it's gonna bend at you. I swear.
Dude, that.
Been like this.
Yeah.
Is that your drone part?
I'll send it out
This
tomorrow.
is GoPro. Nah, I think still survives, right? Probably not.